Lightworks version 14 tutorial videos series presented by WBIM Student Television.
Today we'll be showing you how to use Greenscreen/Chromakey, which is when you remove a solid background color and replace it with the background image.
When you use this effect, you can show your subject as if he or she was actually there.
Just like this.
Hey guys, so the first thing you will need to do is you need to go to view 1 and right click on it, then go down to tracks and press add video. After you press add video, you will need to take your video down to view 1, and then you will need to add your picture down in view 2 to where you just need it for right now. And then you need to go to VFX.
So once you're on the VFX tab, you're going to need to click the plus sign and then press the arrow key and then put it on the tab key. Then the thing you'll need to do is you're going to double click Chromakey. Then you are going to need to drag the color picker or color selection, whatever you want to call it, into the middle of your green screen. And there you have it.
Once your background is changed, you need to press the box where reveal is. This will change your background to black and white. Once you've done this, play around with luminance and saturation to get rid of the black specks. The black specks is the blur. Then press the reveal box again to show you what your green screen background looks like. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helped you. Tune in another video to watch more tutorials and videos. Thank you.